Based in the East, winning the world. Green energy-saving technological innovation. In the ancient East, there is such a group of people. They approach the yearning of life with diligence, engrave the value of existence with time, measure the dimension of happiness with space, and support the burning dream with steel. They are Canglong Group. Canglong Group is a comprehensive group who is specializing in steel structure design, manufacturing, construction, and installation. With more than 350 employees and more than 80 professional technicians. To meet domestic and foreign needs, our company has established 5 large-scale steel structure production bases, covering an area of 450,000 square meters, 25 production lines of various types of steel structures and plates, with an annual output value of 200,000 tons of steel structures, which can quickly realize the processing tasks of various light steel, heavy steel, and space structure steel members. From high-rise residential buildings to multi-story office buildings, from commercial buildings to public buildings, from intelligent industrial buildings to green agricultural buildings, from energy-saving light steel villas to fashionable container houses, Canglong people are all strictly demand themselves with their own quality of excellence. Since its establishment in 2003, Canglong Group has successfully won the honorary titles of National High-Tech Enterprise, National Advanced Construction Enterprise, China Famous Trademark, Vice Chairman Unit of China Steel Structure Association, etc., and CE certification of steel structure, color steel plate, integrated housing, etc. Based in China and looking at the world, Canglong Group adheres to the concept of green energy conservation, scientific and technological innovation, and constantly improves itself. Our overseas projects cover 5,603 buildings in 126 countries and regions in Asia, America, Europe, Oceania, and Africa, gaining international popularity and customers' trust. What Canglong people are pursuing is not a series of code numbers, but to bring customers satisfactory and comfortable service experience. We have deep understanding of customers' needs, attach great importance to customers' interests, and win customers' trust and praise with professional service teams and service systems. Canglong Group has an efficient and professional after-sales service team, which regularly visit and track customers. We promise to free replacement the wearing parts during the warranty period, help you complete the maintenance of the building on a regular basis, and to make your building safer and more efficient during use. Canglong Group actively responds to the open and inclusive international economic policy of One Belt and One Road, keeping in mind the mission of making green buildings the best and satisfying the happiness of every user. Continuously improve the product competitiveness and brand competitiveness. Strive to build a first-class green and environmental construction enterprise and make our products all over the world.